You're preparing to sell your home. You've talked to your agent, you've made the decision, and now comes the most important part of the process. The first impression. Before buyers fall in love with your layout, your light, or your location, they notice how your home feels. And nothing affects that feeling more than one simple factor: cleanliness. Let's explore how a thorough presale clean can transform your home's appeal and help you attract the right offer faster. Why first impressions are everything. It only takes seconds. The moment a buyer steps through the door, they start forming judgments about care, condition, and value. A clean home sends the message: this property has been well maintained. There's no hidden work. You can move in with peace of mind. And that message, it translates directly into trust and offers. Presale cleaning versus everyday cleaning. Let's be honest, the way we clean for ourselves isn't the same as how we'd clean for strangers. Presale cleaning is deeper, more intentional, and far more detailed than your usual routine. It's not about surface sparkle. It's about uncovering the hidden grime buyers will notice instantly. Behind appliances, inside windowsills, tile grout and edges, skirting boards and corners, door handles and light switches, these small spots create a big emotional impact. Target the high-value zones. Want to know where buyers are most likely to be impressed or turned off? Focus your energy on these key areas. Bathrooms. Clean like you're welcoming guests to a spa. Sparkling mirrors, polished taps, and mold-free grout make all the difference. Kitchen. Clear countertops, degrease appliances, wipe every drawer and cupboard. A clean kitchen signals value and livability. Windows. Clean glass lets light pour in and makes rooms feel larger. It also shows pride of ownership. Floors and carpets. Steam clean if possible. Clean floors ground the whole experience. Dirty floors undo everything else. Entryway. The first 10 seconds matter. Sweep the porch, wipe the front door, and remove any cobwebs or clutter. The emotional power of clean a buyer doesn't just walk through your space. They imagine themselves living there. A home that smells fresh, looks bright, and feels cared for creates an emotional reaction. And it's not just about beauty, it's about ease. Buyers think, I could move in right now. There's nothing I need to fix. This is the one. That feeling of confidence helps buyers act quickly and offer generously. Should you DIY or bring in the pros? If you have time, energy, and attention to detail, yes, a DIY clean is doable. But remember, you're not just cleaning. You're presenting a product worth hundreds of thousands, if not more. Hiring professionals ensures nothing is missed. They clean faster, better, and know exactly what agents and buyers are looking for. For many sellers, it's the smartest investment they'll make in the entire campaign. Final thought. Clean for the life you're selling. This isn't just a checklist. It's your chance to tell buyers, this home has been loved. This home is ready. This home is worth it. So clean with care. Stage with pride. And give your buyers the first impression that seals the deal.